Welcome to this step-by-step guide on enlarging your text beyond the standard size in PowerPoint. Begin by launching the PowerPoint application on your computer. It doesn't matter if you are a beginner or a long-time user, the process always starts by opening the program. Once PowerPoint is fully loaded, you should see your familiar workspace and menu options that allow you to create or edit your presentations. After opening PowerPoint, navigate to the presentation you wish to modify. Whether you have a saved presentation on your device or one stored on a network drive, locate and open the file where you want to apply a larger font size than the traditional maximum. This tutorial is intended for situations where you find that the default range is insufficient for your design needs, and you want to push beyond those limits. Once you have your presentation open, identify the specific slide containing the text you intend to enlarge. Click directly on the text element that you plan to modify so that it becomes active. This selection is crucial because it signals PowerPoint that you wish to edit the chosen text rather than the slide or background. With the text box now active, you will have access to various formatting options that help you tailor your content exactly as you envision. Having selected the text, move your attention to the Home tab in the PowerPoint ribbon. The Home tab is the central hub for text formatting and a number of other editing features. It is here that you will find the commands to change font sizes, font types, colors, and other properties that influence how your text is displayed on the slide. Navigating to this tab is key when you want to manage the visual presentation of your content effectively. Now that you are on the Home tab, highlight the text you wish to modify by clicking and dragging your mouse over it. Ensure that you fully select all parts you would like to see in the larger size. This highlighting process tells PowerPoint exactly which portion of the text should be reformatted. Whether you are modifying a word, a sentence, or an entire paragraph, this step is essential to guarantee that no portion is inadvertently left unchanged. After confirming that the text is highlighted, focus on the font size area displayed on the ribbon. In this box, you can manually type in the number representing your desired font size. Instead of using a slider or drop-down menu that might limit you to a maximum of 96, simply input a value greater than 96. This technique gives you flexibility and control over the scale of your text, allowing it to be as bold and prominent as your design requires. Simply type in the desired size and press enter to confirm that change. By following these steps carefully, you have successfully adjusted the text in your PowerPoint presentation to a size beyond the default limits. This capability is particularly useful when creating large-scale presentations for events, digital signage, or any situation where clarity and emphasis on the text are paramount. Enjoy the enhanced readability and customization that this method provides as you continue to develop your visual content in PowerPoint.